What is up, people? Welcome back to another video. This video is going to be kind of long. I just now figured out how to get back into my trading view. So we're going to be looking at some future stuff. I know that wasn't really the ideal plan for me to do at all, really, because I'm now kind of moving on into stocks, as you guys probably have seen. But I've been locked out of my trading view for like months now, and I now figured out how to get back into it. But yeah, let's focus on stocks first. The first thing I want to talk about, first of all, is the Texas Roadhouse. As you guys probably know, wait, what was it? THR or something? Texas Roadhouse. Texas Roadhouse. Yeah, there it is. Is the little small loss or small big loss that we saw on Texas Roadhouse. So as you guys saw, actually let me change chart. Let's see. Yeah, this is better. To this, as you guys saw, we had the weekly chart set up, right? And it did kind of pop. It did kind of, it went to 177. We had 175 calls. So obviously we made a little bit of money for a little bit, and then it came crashing down. Now, the reason it came crashing down wasn't because of Texas Roadhouse itself. It was actually, I don't know if you guys saw the news that's been happening right now with the market. Hence the futures. I'm showing the futures now. This is the S&P 500. And as you can see, it is having really, really bad week. Like horrible. Pretty sure it's not worse than this, but it's really bad. Everyone's selling right now. There's literally all the news on Yahoo Finance is why everyone's selling and stuff. So everything's crumbling down. So Texas Roadhouse, obviously, as you can see, is not the biggest company either, and it's not doing the best. It's still a performing stock. Hence why I looked at it. It was riding the EMA like literally perfectly, almost at a breakout, and then as you can see, the news hit, and that's when we came tumbling down. And the only reason it came tumbling down was because of the external news from Japan and stuff like that, and then the US stock market. So that's that. In terms of flagged, I mean, I have a bunch here that I'm just going to quickly go through. These are just rebound stock that I think will come back up a little bit. You guys can pause the video and go through them. Personally, I don't have anything in setting up because they're literally everything. And when I mean everything, everything is down. I usually screen through technology because we just pull up Yahoo and we go to sectors. Right now, as you can see, yeah, not, everything is not doing so good. But as you can see, technology obviously is a leading sector between financial and healthcare. We don't trade healthcare because there's too many biomedical stocks in here and they jump like fucking crazy. But technology is the number one sector. And then in that sector, there are different other sectors. And you can see that software infrastructure is currently leading with what's called semiconductors. So if you go in here, you have a bunch of other stocks that you can look at here that could indicate a possible buy or hold. But what I'm trying to say is that technology is a leading sector and always has been. And obviously with the rise of AI and stuff like that, definitely will keep going up and keep leading. So in Webull, my screener personally is technology. Now it's technology equipment. I would have software and IT services in another screener, and I take a look at that. But as you can see, if we just scroll, yeah, everything's down. And my strategy does not work. And by the way, I will make a little video on how to do that with my strategy, like the whole breakout stuff. Talking about crap. I forgot how to use TradingView. Fuck. Oh my god, I feel like a rookie. This is kind of crazy because this was from last year, bro. I know this was from this year, but this was like school year, bro. I was still in school when I had this up, bro. That's crazy. And then the whole summer came. But as you can see, we hit that price leg, like the ICT fucking standard deviation shit. We hit it like on the dot. No, it's weird. Let me look at the 1 month, bro. I feel like so much has happened. It just kept rising. It kept rising, and it's gonna keep rising, and it's gonna keep rising. But as you can see, let me just, how do I do this? Is it control? Oh yeah, it's control. Delete everything here. A clean chart. Let's just take a look and see what we can do here. I don't know. I feel like I forgot everything, but as you can see, there's already a monthly fair value gap here that we can notice. Boom. You can see I'm already on that. Oh, that's sick. You can add text already. Oh, that's nice. That's a good feature. Let's look at the 1 week. Let's see if there's any fair value gaps in that week. Bro, I've never traded. Oh, this is going to feel weird, bro. I hate this. But, let's see. That's a swing low. So, wait, how do I do this? Yeah, fib retracement like this. That's a swing low. That's a swing high. Standard deviation. No, not standard deviation. Full SD, no. Red range. Okay, so that's under equilibrium. As you can see, there was a weekly fair value gap here that got tapped into. But that's not what we care about. What we care about is that little guy here. How do I bring this out? Sorry, boys. Fuck. It's been a while. So I got tapped into. Now we look on the daily. It's going to keep going down probably. So where do we expect it to? Fuck, dude, this is weird. But in that fair value gap, the only thing I see is this one, that daily one. Damn, that's crazy. I don't know, bro. I don't know what to think. That's wild. Bro, what the fuck? Dude, we lost. It went up to like fucking almost 6 grand, bro. And then, wow. But this is good. Honestly, this is like, it's like this. Like, think of what's happening right now as this little thing or this little thing, right? Like just, wait, control, right? Yeah. Think this. Okay, that's pretty sharp. Think that, okay? With every down is going to come with an up. So, personally, we know that this, in my eyes, this is good because everything's going to be cheaper to buy. Every stock, obviously, as you see, has been sold, is being sold, or will be sold because of either panic sellers, of what's called position loss. So when you sell your position at a loss, you know, it's going to come back up, in the stock at least. And as you can see, we're in such a bull run. And yeah, this is the weekly. What about the monthly? The monthly is even in a bigger bull run. I don't even know what to like tell you. This could go on for another couple of, you know, what's it called? Couple of like days, weeks. But what you're looking for is this ICT strategy called the market structure shift. And it can happen on the monthly. It can happen, well, not really the monthly. I mean, you'd have to wait a long time. But the weekly, you can kind of see here, that's a swing high here. Wait, holy fuck. I'm so not used to this. So that's a market structure shift because that swing high created a swing low and that broke it full body. So that's a market structure shift. And as you can see, you would have bought like on this day. And if you just kept holding, you'd be up a lot right now. So that's all we're looking for, right? I mean, at the end of the day, this is the weekly chart. You can come down into the daily chart, which, I mean, that's up to you, but the daily just looks scary. And in my opinion, the weekly is just what you want to look at here. Listen, I'm gonna throw this gum out because it's disgusting. Not financial, advice, okay? But what I'm gonna say is wait to buy. I know it looks like this weekly is about to get bought up, but the week's not even over. There's 2 more days. This could be a whole lot shittier, and things could rebound 100%, but let's wait, right? Personally, on the week, as you can see, you would want to wait a few weeks like this. Okay, the reversal in the market structure didn't really happen until 1, 2, 3, 4, almost 4 to 5 weeks. Right? So yeah, we could be waiting a lot. And as you can see here, it's not really building up that little what's it called, like consolidation. So like that week we'd have to have like, so that was a bad week. So we have to have 1, 2, 3, at least like 4 consolidation weeks, and then like 2 more, 3 more, and then a big run up. So it'd have to go really down or like into this monthly fair value gap. That's basically, so like monthly fair value gap, for example, right? It'd have to come down into that. All I'm doing right now, and this could happen on the daily, but the daily isn't really, I mean, it's happening here on the, that's a swing high. There's another low here, but yeah, just watching this, honestly, don't really know what to expect. It's gonna keep coming down. I just watched this. This is SPX. What about NQ? I haven't watched NQ in a while. Yeah, same thing on NQ here. NQ looks like it went even lower. Holy crap. My goodness. So usually what I've seen on NQ is, I know it's delayed, but I mean, we're looking at the daily or the weekly chart, so it doesn't give a shit. Here is, I can already see a gap here that got filled. So that's that. Is it going to go lower? Maybe. Let's look at the 1 month. Is there a fair value gap? No. I mean, there's that, but it's not really, it's not huge. It's not a huge fair value gap. I don't know. There's a bunch of fucking shit you could do. Like there's breakers and shit, but on NQ looks way more aggressive. I'm not going to lie. It looks crazy aggressive. Like this is about to sell off like a motherfucker. And then you have, is this an order block? Yeah, kind of. It's a thick ass order block. I ain't gonna lie. Thick ass order block. Oh, this is a plus. Yeah, it's a plus order block. So that's how far I'm willing it for it to reach down. Obviously, you don't want it to close under those lows because that's basically can be considered as a like weekly market structure, which is bad. I mean, it technically already happened here. Yeah, that's bad. That's really bad. Holy fuck. Well, anyways, SPX is prettier to look at. I'm not gonna lie. Oh no, this is, I need SPX 500. Yeah, man. I would just say look at the markets and just wait. I mean, it's a good time to buy in the upcoming weeks. You know, all the stocks are gonna be cheap. The indices are gonna be cheap, and they're gonna want to go higher and reset from that. Obviously, there's some wars going on, potential World War III. Japan's failing. You know, elections are coming up. The economy is not the best. Inflation's really high. Blah blah blah. Listen, we have this almost every fucking year. Every year we have, or not every year, every fucking 4 years, whatever. We have the same shit. A new war happens, a new crisis, some fucking COVID shit like happens. Like shit happens, bro. You know what I mean? Like it's gonna happen. But the stock market, you can't predict it, but you just gotta look at it, bro. Like what is it doing? It's in a bull run. Unless we close under these lows, brother, it's not a bull run anymore. But like, holy fuck, we're going up. You know what I mean? Like it's almost hit 6,000, it's going to hit 6,000. 2025. I call it. So why not buy it after this? So not only do you get the profits from, let's say, down here, all the way here, and you get even more profits to 6,000 instead of buying it only halfway through. You know what I mean? When you can catch the bottom like that and get the full profits. Personally, I would do that. I'd get like a 6,000 call option. But that's it. I'm gonna leave you guys to that. I'll be back soon, and if there's anything that changes, I'll let you guys know. Peace.